Welcome back, guys. In previous lecture, we have discussed about class and object. So in this class, we will discuss about inheritance. Okay, before inheritance, we will discuss about the constructors. So, in Python, we do have two types of constructors. One is default constructor, and the second one is the parameterized constructor. The default constructor will invoke at the time of object creation, which means like when creating the showroom. So initially the default constructor will get invoked, then only the methods will executed. So that's the sequence. And like methods, we no need to explicitly call the with the object reference. Constructors will by default it will get invoked. Let's say even in Python, these constructors will be defined with the def keyword underscore init. So this is the syntax for the constructors creation. Like init is the method which we use specifically for the constructor creation, and yeah, self as the argument again, and print I am the default constructor. So let's print quickly and see. See, the first I am default constructor is invoked first, and then Honda service, and then Suzuki service. So let's see about this parameterized constructor as well. Let's say you have the showroom, my showroom, and the showroom. So I'll just pass one more string called um, Bangalore. So my showroom is in Bangalore. So I'm passing Bangalore. So whenever you're passing argument, you should collect it in one of the variable here, which is city. Let's say I'll take the variable called city. So whenever this can be invoked with the self dot city equal to city. So this city is an instant scope which will get live, and where you can use it any of the methods. Let's say I want along with the honor service is available along with the city. So I'll just use self dot city. It can the access privileges will come here. So let's quickly run and see. See, Honda service is available in Bangalore. This has come. So that's how the constructors will work. Um, we have two types mainly, parameterized and default constructor, and this can be executed before this any of methods. And what else, like this is the syntax for constructor creation. That's it for this lecture, guys. We'll see inheritance in next lecture. Thank you.